Let's find another one. A green one. Take it one. Okay. Oh, green one. Okay. Green pack. To the red. Red pack. Red pack. Red pack. Red pack. Red pack. Okay, fine. Okay, bring it back, bring it back. Okay, okay. Bring it back. Okay. Let's find. Okay. Okay, up there, up there, up there. Up there. A blue one, a blue. Okay, okay. Oh, move forward, move forward. Okay, there is. Okay, we found this one. Okay. Okay, we found another one. Okay. Please take this one. Take this one. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, fine, this one. That's one, a blue one. Right here, right here, right here. Hey, blue one. Straight, straight. Okay, straight. Oh, oh, oh. We found. Okay. Okay. Bring it to. Red pack, red pack, red pack. Okay, thank you. Okay, another one, the last one. Okay, we find this. Oh, finally we found that one, that one. Okay, that one. Okay, this one. Oh, another mini fan. Okay, okay. Let's move forward. Okay. Okay, okay, we found the last fan, mini fan and desk fan. Okay, that's a blue fan. That is a pink fan. And mini fan, there is a green one. And pink one and a blue one, and now is a colorful fan. Put it in series. Okay. Okay, that's nice, that's very good. Okay, just put it in a good position in a row and make it as good as you can. Okay, turn it around and then the blue one. Hey, the blue one. Oh, okay. We found this one. No. Okay. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 mini fan and 2 desk fan. Okay. Okay. Okay, and we put it in a good position again. Oh. Okay, and next one to put it in a good position in a row. Okay, arrange again. And make it as good as you can. Okay, turn it around and then the blue one.